Good morning, students. In English 1, grammar, as chapter 27, punctuation and capital letters, I had given to solve exercise 1. And I hope you have solved, but you may match also. That first question you can see, it is given, I am going to Paris in July. So you write I capital letter, that I am going, no matter, I am going to Paris, P capital letter, because P is the proper noun, Paris, in July, J capital letter. At end of the sentence, you put full stop. See, I capital letter, here P Paris capital letter, and July J capital letter, and putting full stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 places are there. You have to use the punctuation mark. So second question you can see. Second question, it is given, Mr. and Mrs. Khurana and Jimli live in Japan. So you can see here name is given, beginning of the sentence, Mr. So M you can write capital letter Mr. point and Mrs. M-R-S point. After that Khurana it is title, so K capital letter Khurana. After that, and Jimli is also name, proper noun. Jimli live in Japan. Live in Japan. So in this way you can see this M and K capital letter, and Jimli J capital letter, and in Japan J capital letter, and at last full stop. You use full stop after completing the sentence. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 places you can modify, you can re-edit, rewrite, and using the punctuation marks. So after that you can do question number 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. I will give solution of this exercise, but you can try 3rd to 10. After that, question mark, where you use question mark. If you are asking question, you can use question mark like that. Who are you? What is your name? Generally comes at asking questions, as in the interrogative sentence using question mark. Generally it comes as using question mark. That you can see, what is your name? Question mark. Who are you? Like that. So this is the question word. What is your name? Who are you? So in this way you can use the question mark as in the punctuation. So there are varieties of the exercises are there, and where you use exclamation mark as when the things comes in the sentence as surprising, wonderful things, like that. What a lovely dress. What a lovely dress. You can see what a lovely dress means it is the wonderful things, that lovely dress. So you can put exclamation mark. This is exclamation mark. So as the sentence you are using, that it makes you astonished, as in the wonderful condition. You are surprised, so or you are expressing the surprise. So in this condition you use exclamation mark. Now this exercise 2 you can do. Put question marks or exclamation mark at the end of the sentences. What is your name? It is question, asking question. So put question mark there. Help police. It is exclamation mark there. How old are you? It is asking question. Third sentence. How old are you? You put question mark. Question 4. Have you had your lunch? Have you had your lunch? Also put question mark. Question 5. What a lovely sunset. What a lovely sunset. It makes you surprised. So it means you put exclamation mark. After that, the inverted commas. If any person is speaking any things, what he or she speaks, that is statement. Ideas. That ideas are statement put in the inverted comma. So that inverted comma are used like that. He said to me. He said to me. Inverted comma like that. Inverted comma C like that. He said to me. What he said to me? We are going to play. We are going to play. Full stop, comma close. He said to me, we are going to play. It means what he said, it is putting in inverted comma. You see this downside like that, and after that complete the sentence, full stop here, and that this side as making this, it is closed. In this way we represent inverted comma. It is called inverted comma. Exercise 3 based on this. Put inverted comma in the following sentences. As you see, question number 1. Exercise 3, question number 1, you can see, the car is in the garage, said the driver. The car is in the garage, said the driver. So in this way you can see, said the driver. It is question. It is given question. How you can rewrite as making the using the inverted comma? The car is in the garage. It is statement. So you put in inverted comma like that. Now the car is in the garage. Garage, full stop, comma close. Said. Here also you can use comma. Said the driver. Said the driver. Said the driver, full stop. In this way, the car is in the garage. Here comma, here inverted comma close. You can easily see the statement. Said the driver. In this way, you can write. Next, second, we are hungry, said the girls. We are hungry, you put in inverted comma, said the girls, like that. Third, Ganesh is tired, said his mother. Ganesh is tired, it is a statement, you put in inverted comma and said his mother. So like that you can represent third, fourth and fifth yourself. As after that, using capital letter, you know already that with the proper nouns you always use capital letter, as first letter must be capital letter. Beginning of the sentence also you use always first letter capital letter. In the mid of the sentence also you can use first letter capital letter if that word first letter represents the proper noun or that words represent the proper noun. So name of the place, name of the person, if it is given in the words, so you can use first letter capital letter mid of the sentence also. So in this way, like that, you know, India, Indian, China, Chinese, America, American, like that, Europe, European, Russia, Russian. So all of the countries name as proper noun, and the citizenship, calling the citizenship like that, Russia, Russian. Russian is the citizen of the Russia. Indian, Indian is the citizen of India. Like, so you can use as exercise 4, very important exercise. Punctuate the following sentences. First I am saying, as first sentence you see, first sentence as first exercise 4. First, I missed the school bus, said Rima. So I missed the school bus. School bus, said Rima. Comma, it is also put in comma because it is the statement. I missed the school bus, comma, inverted comma, said Rima. Rima is the girl, is proper noun, said Rima, or must be capital letter. Full stop. In this way you can represent the sentence as punctuation. I will give the solution of all exercises. So in this way you can complete exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will give the solution. That chapter has been finished. This chapter number 27 now today has been finished, and I will give the solution of this chapter today itself in the study material. So you can search the solution of this chapter 27 today itself. I will give the solution of this chapter today. Okay, for today's class, thank you.